Welcome to the area where everything is for everyone. This neighborhood is traditionally away from travel guides and the most touristic circuits. It is home to what we could call an authentic Barcelona life. Eixample Esquerra is one of the largest but safest areas in Barcelona. You can find in the north of Eixample many foreigners with children who settle here, as you can find larger apartments with balconies. We think it's a great place to rent as there are a lot of green spaces to relax and enjoy the sun, which can be hard to find in other areas of Barcelona. What's more, this area is perfect for students as there are many university campuses within Eixample Esquerra. If you like to party in a gay district, Eixample in the south of Eixample is the place to be. There are many gay bars, clubs, and a lot of local shops and restaurants support the gay neighborhood with flags. This is an area that is about having fun and is a microcosmic depiction of the city's attitude of openness and tolerance, which have come to define the city over the years. One of the highlights is the Jean Miró Park. It is a site of relaxation for the residents of Eixample Esquerra. This place is simply a perfect square of green tranquility in the middle of one of Europe's busiest cities. It contains a playground for children, and trees provide shade for picnickers. The leafy grandeur of the area, combined with its artisan credibility, gives Eixample Esquerra its place among Barcelona's most desirable areas to live.